Yo, man, Sheeski here, man, back with another banger video. And today's video is all about how to get your first high limit credit card. If y'all are new to the channel, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Helps me out a ton, helps me keep producing great content for you guys. But without further ado, we're gonna drop all this sauce. So let's get into it. Yo, like I said, today's video is all about getting your first high limit credit card, bro. I remember when I got my first high limit credit card, bro. It was a $10,000 limit, bro. I was like, bro, this is insane. Like going from like having like a low limit card, like $500 to seeing like a $10,000 limit, bro. I don't think nobody like close to me have done that before. So I was like, man, it's insane how you can do this, bro. It does take a lot of knowledge though, to be honest with y'all. You do got to put those hours in to actually figure out the credit game and all that. And it's still stuff I don't know. I'm not gonna say I'm like the biggest guru of credit out here. I don't know everything, but I'm constantly learning. You got to constantly try to take in the information. So like good information sources on this too, bro. TikTok for real, but be careful with everything on TikTok. Google, Reddit, all that. It's a lot of information sources on how to get your credit and stuff right. But I'm gonna tell y'all how to do it, briefly and everything like that, so y'all can start getting some credit cards and getting y'all some high limits too. I got a couple with high limits, bro. I got like one with 8,000, one with 10. That's just to name a few, bro. I got Navy Fed. Like, I got a lot of good credit cards with a lot of good institutions, bro. And I want y'all to do the same, bro. I know some of y'all just starting out in the credit game. Y'all trying to get your feet wet and all that, bro. It's doable, bro. You got to take time, bro. So, first thing you do, though, if you're actually trying to get this high limit credit card, you got to set you out a journey to do it. First thing, you got to get a secure card. Or you could probably get like a student card. Cause most of y'all might be in college, so I'm gonna briefly explain like student cards, stuff like that. So say you're in college, right? You can get a student credit card. Most of the time they're unsecured, and they give you like a low limit, like $200 or $500 or maybe $1,000. They give you that, and what you do with these credit cards, or if you got a secure card is basically you put your own money up, and that's it's your credit limit, right? So say you put up $500, you have a $500 credit limit, and what you do with that, bro, is you spend it and pay it back. Don't buy that more than you can chew. If you get an unsecured credit card, like me, you had a student card, don't spend more than you can that you can afford, right? So just buy food and gas, stuff you're already gonna buy anyway. That's what I did. I bought food and gas, right? And then guess what? Your credit score start going up, right? Because the bank and the bank will report that to your credit bureaus and stuff like that. There's 3 credit bureaus. The Spirit and TransUnion and Equifax, bro. So if you paying it back responsibly, it works out wonders, right? You don't want to miss a payment. That's one thing I always learn. I never do that. Don't miss a payment. Don't let nothing go to collections, bro. So don't buy that more you can chew with anything, bro. So you start off with that secured card or that student card. You paying that back, right? You paying that good. You do that for like 6 months, bro. Then I promise you, either you can go back to that same institution that you got the secure card with and ask for unsecured, or you can go take your unsecured card and go for a better one. You know what I'm saying? So it takes about 3 to 6 months for you to get more cards, right? Because this thing called inquiries. It's 2 kinds of inquiries. You got soft pulls and you got hard pulls. The main thing, hard pulls don't really count. It do count, but it don't count as bad because, bro, you can have I got like 20 hard pulls, bro. It's not really affecting my credit as much. Some credit gurus be like, man, you don't want all them hard pulls, bro. Take them hard pulls, bro. But just do them like every 3 to 6 months, because you'll start getting denied for shit if you start doing hard pulls like every month. So a good rough thing to me, what I would tell y'all is every 3 to 6 months, get a credit card. Every 3 to 6 months. And it's a method. You can check my other video where I drop how to get 6 cards in 6 months. So instead of you getting 1 card every 6 months, like most people say, like the average person, you can get 6. But regardless of that, you got your secure card, you got your unsecured card, whatever, you get a student card or a secured, you get that. And then after that, 6 months later, bro, you go with something else, bro. You go for you another unsecured. I'm not gonna say they're gonna throw you a $10,000 limit right after that, because it's highly unlikely. It took me like to my 3rd or 4th card until I got a $10,000 limit. And it's a lot of institutions that do that. You got to just be aware and stuff like that. You got to be paying attention. And also, need to pay attention to like credit boards and stuff like that. Knowing which bureau pulls or which card pulled from which bureau, that's big. Because listen, you don't want to have when you trying to credit stack or something like that, I preach that too. Make sure y'all credit stack. But when you trying to credit stack, you don't want to get too many cards to pull for the same bureau. It's not gonna work. You can only get like 2 per bureau. That's how you get 6. But yeah, so once you did that, right? Now you get you your second card. I recommend going for something like, bro, if y'all got Navy Fed, bro, Navy Fed, and this is the easy way to get Navy Fed. It's a backdoor method. I can tell you how to do that too at some point. But Navy Fed, they throw out the high limits easier, because I know that's the thing I did to get a high limit, bro. I went to Navy Fed, but you don't have to go to Navy Fed. It's gonna take you a little bit longer. It might take you a year to get a high limit, bro. But if you got Navy Fed, I'm gonna drop some sauce, bro. Navy Fed is a relationship bank, bro. So for y'all that have Navy Fed, you literally can just, start building a relationship with them, start having deposits come in the bank account, stuff like that, set up direct deposit with your job and all that. Do that for like 6 months, bro. And if you got decent credit, you paid off a couple cars and stuff like that, you ain't carrying no balance and stuff, they'll throw you a 10K limit. That's what threw me my first one. That's the game to y'all. Navy Fed threw me my first one, and after that, bro, I could get any high limit card I want. I could probably get approved for the Sapphire Reserve Chase if I really wanted to. It's just I don't want to pay the yearly fee for the card. It's like $300 or $500. I'm not sure, but after that, you could do that, bro. It's like the sky's the limit, bro. And like I said, once you have that positive payment history for like 6 months or a year, bro, you would start upgrading, bro. Like I said, say you go from the unsecured, like I told y'all got an unsecured student card for $1,000. The next card you can probably get a 3K card that's like unsecured and stuff like that. And they see you have that for a couple months, paying it back and stuff. You go again, they'll give you about $7,000. That's how it works, bro. You just need about 6 to 12 months. It's a slow game. I'll be honest with y'all. It's not no fast game. Don't think this credit game is fast, bro. 6 to 12 months at a time, bro. But once you get one card, you get the next card. You can get the next card. You can get the next card. And after that, you'll be at 10K. And now this is going to be the next thing, bro. Once you get this 10K card, what you going to do with it, bro? I'm going to just be honest with y'all. Because that's going to be the next thing. Because y'all going to have this $10,000 limit. Y'all going to be like, what do I do with it? Now, honestly, you need to be aiming to get a business credit card. Just be real with y'all. You need to aim to get a business credit card, because those don't report to your, personal spirit and transient Equifax. That's what you really want. But that takes time to do. You got to have a business and all that kind of stuff. And I can explain that another day. I got business credit card. Business credit cards are where it's at. But if you do get a personal $10,000 limit, bro, and you still say, hey, man, well, I got this high limit. What do I do with it? What do I buy? I got so much capital I got access to. What you do is you invest. And you probably like, bro, invest in what? Bro, invest in your business with that. That's how you start your business. I just gave y'all the game, bro. That's how you start your business, with the $10,000 credit card, bro. You get you one that has 0% interest. I don't recommend, when y'all can start getting approved for these high limit cards, don't get them unless they give you a 0% interest offer. Why would you get a card that doesn't have no 0% interest offer anyway? Like, if you want to bust a play with it, you can't do nothing, because guess what? The interest gonna start eating you up, so you're gonna be cooked unless you make a lot of money really quick, unless you got like something really good you can invest in. But I know most of us, if we're trying to get in this credit game, we're trying to use this to start up our life, bro. Try to help us get to the next level and all that kind of stuff. So what I recommend you doing, get you a card that got 0% interest for 12 months. At least 12 months. Only ones you need to apply for after you get your secured or unsecured card, bro. 12 months at least. Unless they got you like some type of promotional special or something like that. Like, I got the Amazon Prime Rewards Visa, and the only reason I got that card because they gave me $200 Amazon gift card just for getting approved. So I was like, there's nothing wrong with that, bro. You know what I'm saying? I can't be mad at that, bro. $200 Amazon gift card for just being approved. What's wrong with that? You see what I'm saying? But once you get these high limit cards, bro, that should be your main focus with them, bro. Invest in it. Don't be trying to buy clothes, buy Gucci, buy Fendi. You know what I'm saying? Buy Rick Owens. Don't do that, bro. Invest that money. Start you a business, bro. Start you a clothing brand. Start you a trucking business. Something. Get started with something, bro. Start you a Turo business. I dropped the whole video on the sauce on how to get Turo started, bro. Take you $10,000, buy you a Turo car, bro, and goddamn run that shit up. make a shit ton. Then make your initial investment back, and you good, bro. I'm being honest, bro. Like, I want y'all to succeed. I don't want none of my supporters to not succeed, bro. You can do this, bro. Don't let nobody tell you can't do this. Anything you put your mind to in life, bro, you got it, bro. I promise you. It's not a hard thing to do. I just gave y'all the game, bro. Get you a secured or unsecured card, run it up for 6 to 12 months, pay it off, spend it, pay it off, spend it, pay it off, spend it, pay it off. Go get your next card. Might be 2,000 or 3,000. Get some with Chase or something like that. Get you some with Navy Fed if you have that. Get you some with City or something like that. Get you a little $2,000 or $3,000 card. After that, bro, 6 to 12 months later, come back. They might give you 7,000 then. Then after that, 6 months later, come back. They might give you 10K. It's easy, bro. Easy day. But you gonna have to be disciplined, bro. You're gonna have to make sure that you don't get in debt in the process, bro. Just make sure, if you got these limits, bro, don't think about it in a smart way. Don't just be trying to buy stupid stuff, bro. I promise you, it's hard. It's very hard. I promise you, it's very hard. But it also does, having this just adds a whole layer of freedom to your life, though. Like, just being honest, though, like having a high limit car adds a lot of freedom. Because listen, now you don't supposed to run up stupid debt, but the good thing is if you ever lose a job, bro, you ain't gonna be cooked. And that's the best thing, bro. If you ever lose a job, bro, you got a $10,000 car, bro, you need to have some to keep you afloat till you get your next job and stuff. $10,000 credit card just done that for you, bro. So I said, it's a lot of opportunity here. It's a lot of business that could be made. You could be the next big startup, bro. That's what you're supposed to do, bro. Once you get these high limit credit cards, bro, start you a business, bro. Then you can start having that cash flow coming in that pays off that credit card and everything like that. And once you pay out the credit card, guess what? You virtually start a business with no money in it from you, bro. Insane. Like, it's insane what you can do with this credit, bro. This credit game, it can allow you to get cars, bro. Like, it's insane, bro. I'm so passionate about this credit stuff, bro. That's why I said I had to come on here and share it to you guys. And I hope y'all find some insight on that, bro. If y'all got any questions, bro, of like, what specific credit card should I get? You know what I'm saying? Like, which one did I have? What's my strategy? How to credit stack? Any of that, bro. Just tap in below. You know what I'm saying? The comments. Feel free to just hit me up. You can DM me or whatever. Like, all my social medias are on my page, bro. If you need to get in contact with me to do any of this stuff, bro, I got you, bro. I'm not gonna let none of my people fail, bro. But let's get it, bro. I gave y'all the sauce. Let's see what y'all do with it. Let me know down below what y'all do with this credit, bro. Let me know if y'all get some high limit approvals, bro. Let me know that too. I want to know if y'all get approvals shit. It's gonna be dope. But listen, I'm out of here, bro. I'm at the park and stuff, walking, bro, having a good time, bro. Give me some steps in and stuff, bro. So hope y'all take that information in and do something with it, bro. Sheeski out. Peace.